Hey there, guys. Chet here. If you are a developer looking to add automation or background jobs to your project, you've probably thought about building it all yourself from scratch. Well, recently, some cool new tools have appeared to make this process easier. One of the most interesting of these is an open source tool called Trigger.dev. Trigger.dev lets you write your automations entirely in code right inside of your own project. This is a very different approach from a visual automation platform like n8n, which is also open source. This creates a big question for anyone looking to automate business tasks. Should you write it all in code with trigger.dev, or should you build it visually with n8n? In this video, we're going to compare these two powerful open source tools directly. We'll look at their different approaches, who they are really built for, and why I believe that n8n is the much more practical and powerful choice for building and managing business automations. And if you decide to try n8n after watching this video, I'll leave the official link below so that you can check it out for yourself. And if you want to host n8n on your own server, I've made a separate video showing you how to do that with Hostinger step by step. Both links are below. Now, let's start with the biggest and most obvious difference between these two tools. Trigger.dev is a code-first platform. This means that your entire automation workflow is written as code, usually in a language called TypeScript. You write out all of the logic, all of the steps, and all of the connections inside your favorite code editor. The automation itself lives alongside the rest of your application's code. Now, this is very appealing for pure software developers who love to stay in their coding environment and have everything in one place. Now, in contrast, n8n is a visual-first platform. You build your workflows by dragging and connecting different blocks or nodes on a screen. While this might seem less technical to some developers, it is a massive advantage for business automation. And the reason is simple. Business logic and business processes are not just for developers. With n8n, your marketing manager, your sales lead, or your project manager can look at a workflow and instantly understand what it does. This makes collaboration between different teams possible. Now, with trigger.dev, only the developers on your team can see or make changes to the workflow. n8n makes your business process visible and accessible to everyone involved. The next point of comparison is the speed of building and maintaining your automations. With trigger.dev, you are still writing a lot of code. While it provides the basic framework to schedule and run your automations, you still need to handle the specific details of connecting to many different apps and many different services. You need to write the code for authentication, for handling the data correctly, and for every single step of the logic. It is definitely faster than starting from absolute zero, but it is still a coding-heavy process. This is where n8n saves you an incredible amount of time. n8n has hundreds of pre-built nodes that handle all of that difficult work for you. Connecting to a new service like Google Sheets or Slack is as simple as filling out a form with your credentials. You don't have to write a new block of code. This means that you can build and test automations in just a few minutes, not hours. Maintaining them is also much easier. To add a new step to your process, you just drag in a new node. You do not have to edit and redeploy your entire application's codebase. This leads to the final important difference, which is about who can actually build these automations. Trigger.dev is a tool made for developers. That is its intended audience, and it is very clear about that. To use it effectively, you must know how to code in TypeScript. n8n, on the other hand, is a tool for everyone on the team. Yes, developers love n8n for its power and flexibility, especially with features like the code node. But the real magic is that it empowers non-technical team members to build their own automations. Your marketing person can automate social media posts. Your support team can automate ticketing. You do not create a bottleneck where every single automation request has to go through a busy developer. This is a much more scalable and efficient way for a modern business to operate. This idea of empowering everyone in a business to build automations is very important. It requires learning a new way of thinking about your processes, whether you are technical or not. This is exactly what we focus on in my school community. There, I teach the fundamentals of automation thinking using n8n for both beginners and advanced users. We have courses and templates that are perfect for marketing, sales, and operations teams to learn from. If you want to bring this powerful skill to your entire team, the link to that community is in the description. So, what's the final verdict? Trigger.dev is a very cool and useful tool for developers who want to write long-running jobs or specific automations as a part of their existing application code. But if your goal is to build and manage your company's business automations, n8n is the far superior choice. Its visual interface makes collaboration possible, its pre-built nodes make building dramatically faster, and it empowers your entire team, not just your developers. All right, that's the end of this video. I really hope that this helps you see the difference between a developer framework and a true business automation platform. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.